Nice. Okay. Let's see that everything's working. Nice. Popped up on X. How's the audio? It's actually kind of loud. Cool. X looking good. Let's see about Twitch. Twitch is looking pretty good. How's the audio? Audio's good. Okay. And then, hey, 900 subscribers. All right. Live stream. What's live stream look like? Cool. Cool. Can I edit? I can edit it once, right? No, I have to do each one. K-Cups. Whoa, hey, what are we doing there? K-Cups. 900 subs. Cool. Nice. The void is back. Look at that beautiful void. All right. We'll get out of the void. Cool. 100 subs. That's crazy. That's a big numbers. Big numbers. As Ludwig would say, bigger number, better person. That's why we're here. All right. So I'm going to do a little brand stat action just because that's the norm now. So today is actually the 3rd, right? Yeah. So yesterday I had enough activities yesterday. I ended up doubling down. I started off pretty good in the morning, and then I came back and did more later. 46 activities on September 2nd. 46 activities. Cool. Just bring the average up a little bit. Nice. 24. Nice. School members. Whoa, really? Wow. So 221. That's crazy. I don't know. I guess YouTube's still doing traffic, and I haven't even done another video. So that one video I think is like carrying. I'm gonna have to do another Nano Banana video, I think, just because it seems to be performing well. Okay, so 221 members. Nice. Let's do this. Whoop. Whoa, 221. 12 members. Nice. That's crazy. All right. I know at least one of them was here on the live stream yesterday, so that helps a lot. I got to finish up that video. I thought I'd have more time yesterday, but ended up spending time with the fam, and so didn't get a chance. But I'll get to it either today or tomorrow. Tomorrow, I think I should be back to my apartment tomorrow, so I'll have time to catch up on a bunch of stuff tomorrow. So, but today I might be able to get some stuff done. All right, and then subscribers, 900. Nice. Crazy. That's really crazy, actually. There we go. I like it. Just a text only. All right, and drag that down. Bumped 4, but 900. 100 subscribers away from 1,000. Pretty legit. That's awesome. That is awesome. All right. That's pretty much it for the brand stats, though. Crazy. I forgot I was going to watch the Skool. I haven't watched the Skool video yet. How to make money on Skool. There we go. That's what we're all here for, right? Where's my YouTube channel? Do you have a YouTube comment? Sometime it returned with part 1 and inline data on part 1, not 0. That will sometime cause unable convert. Yeah, there could be some inconsistency on the response. Yeah, that's the only problem, I guess, with some of these AI models. that they still are a little bit inconsistent, which is kind of annoying. We'll convert. Wait, so sometimes we'll return with part 1 and inline data on part 1, not 0. That will sometimes cause unable convert. Yeah. This is the response back from GPT. That's not correct, because fortunately, I think that is the problem. Wait, so yeah, I think that's what they mean. The data format returned by GPT doesn't work sometimes. I think that's what he's saying. Sometime in return, it returned with part 1 and inline data on part 1, not on 0. That sometime will cause, yeah. Okay, well, let's look. Init.io. That's kind of annoying. They need to kind of fix that. Let's look at the workflow. Oh, I guess, yeah, I guess there's no GPT in this. So, that's what he was referring to? Hmm. Weird. Yeah, I'm not sure. Inline data. Oh, if it returns 0. Oh, okay, interesting. Yeah, that would be an issue if it comes back on part 1 instead of part 0. Interesting. Is it returning more than one image that's producing multiple parts? I haven't seen that yet. Is it returning more than one image that's producing multiple parts? Yeah, weird. All right, cool. Comment, reply to. Activity done. All right, yeah, I kind of want to look at the stats of this bad boy. Oh, it's almost to 1,000. That's crazy. That's really crazy. That's already like in my top. Yeah, I was gonna say like top 5 videos. What is number 7? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Man, this is getting up there. That's crazy. Need more Whisper, more Nano Banana. Put them all together. I do want to do another scheduling because that seems to be pretty common. So that would actually be not a bad one to do as well. And then I know I have a backlog of stuff I need to bang out from other people. Where's vidIQ? I want to see what terms are looking like. Trending keywords. Is Nano Banana up there? I'm guessing probably. Yeah. Oh wait, term search for your channel. Yeah, wow. It's already up there. It's one of the top ones. Crazy. But yeah, I wanted to see what all the rising ones are right now. I'm assuming it's on here somewhere. This is another one. Like I wish vidIQ had an API to do this. When I was poking around, I couldn't find anything, but might be able to find something, because I'd love to be able to see what these are. Like, be able to get a list of these, and then, I mean, I guess I could just like manually come and export these, once a week, and then see what's searching, see what I could pull up from it. Just try to incorporate some SEO into the videos, because why not? Doombots lol. There we go. What else we got? And yeah, searching through this makes me, I don't know, makes me feel out of the loop for sure, because I have no idea what half this stuff is. No idea what people are talking about. Oh, nice. Taylor on the podcast. That I know. Wolves, the RPG. Most of the tech stuff doesn't usually make it on here, I don't think. BPS. Whoa, what is that? Interesting. Always looking for the boring stuff. Looking for the boring terms that I could jump on and take advantage of. What else do we got? Doombots. Ed Sheeran. Gamescom. There we go. Typesoul. Ooh, wow. That's it. Yeah, that'd be something. That would be something. TimeQuest 2 shared. Yeah, there's not usually a lot of tech stuff. Unfortunately. Got to oh, Gorilla's Fortnite. Oh, there we go. Nice. Man, they're crossing over with everybody. Nintendo. I was just wondering if Nano Banana had peaked here, gotten to the top. How long is this list? This is a long list. All right. So yeah, that would be it's a good source. Gamescom 11 million. Yeah, I was gonna say the competition's got to be high on that though, right? What about low? It's low, very low. Bunch of stuff that I don't know what it is. I had to get Vizard Type Soul. I wonder what these Type Souls are. Some video game. Anime Rangers boss fight. Oh, maybe it's the. I don't know actually. I'm not sure. But man, if somebody could hop on that, you could be able to get some free YouTube traffic right away. Fubo TV, nice, good for Fubo. They're getting up there. Dota 2 shorts, crazy. So I don't know. This is actually how I started this channel. Mostly it was like I spotted N8N on this list and was like, oh man, N8N is blowing up. So and there was a ton of, oh wow, monthly, wow, AI automation's way down already. That's crazy. When I originally found N8N, it was like way up here because there was like no competition and the search volume was insanely high. So that was like, okay, clearly there's a demand for this kind of content. So time to start doing it. Now, unfortunately, I didn't totally capitalize. I was trying to balance that with a lot of app development. So that, which I'm still trying to do. So bouncing back and forth between them makes it a little bit more difficult. But oh man, WhatsApp down. Okay, good, because I don't really want to do that. I've been putting it off. I mean, I'll just use somebody else's platform to do that, because like setting up Facebook apps is kind of a pain. AI automation is down. AI automation down 20 or 40%. It's over. Pack it up. It's over. Yeah, N8N self-hosted. That was a big one for a little while. N8N Gmail is up though. Interesting. I like this. This is a good change. I like seeing the trend line, seeing the change in the search results. N8N Discord down. Motion app way down. N8N Slack down. Interesting. But I mean, at the same time, like I'm sure these things aren't going away anytime soon. Yeah, competition high on that. 69. What else we got? All right. I mean, N8N's still not going anywhere. Just certain terms are going down, but lots of stuff is going up. Workflow automation, hosting, voice AI, innate and open source. AI agent tutorial. Yeah, I mean, I guess you could build your AI agents, but I don't know. Like GPT-5 might be the best bet as far as I don't know, an agent that can follow directions. But even still, I just don't. I still think they're selling that dream of just connecting to an AI and it just does whatever you want, and it's not. We're not there yet. It's not the case, unfortunately. How to build AI agents? Ooh, it's going down. How much down? Weird. So there's a lot of 40%. Okay, 60%. Wow, AI tools way down. OpenAI API way down. Techno Tim, good for you, buddy. Up 100%. Innate and API. I don't know. Interesting stuff. Interesting to see what they're doing. And I don't know. I mean, these guys are the only ones I've seen that have this kind of thing going on. I'm sure there's other, I don't know, platform track or SEO specifically for YouTube, but I know these guys have a pretty good tool for it. I think I've signed up for another one. This is one of 10, I think. I have them as well. I don't think they do keyword stuff nearly like this. They're more of a thumbnail kind of a app instead. But this is super useful. This is definitely how I got started. I was curious to see what Nano Banana was doing. Nano. So yeah, I think it's another one. Yeah, exploding right now. So not a bad idea. Not a bad idea to keep those videos going. Yeah, wow. That's exactly. Wow. 2 million with a 31. That'll do it. Company UI. Wow, VO3 down a lot. 100 down 1 million searches. That's crazy, actually. Yeah. So Nano Banana AI. All right, gonna have to probably get that Nano Banana video up. I'll have to do another workflow with that. Which I don't mind because I actually think it's a really cool model. And I don't know. I almost did it yesterday. We were sitting here. I would just have to tweak this a little bit. Like if I wanted to do multi-image here, we just change this to be able to loop through. If there's multiple images, then send them all into the same prompt, and then the rest of it plops out the same way. I mean, I guess the upload, I'd have to go, if it's just one image, though, it's just one image result, then it's good to go. So Molson, how's it going, man? I'm doing some YouTube analytics. Nano Banana, man, is hot. This is an 85. It's not quite to, I think Innate N was like the highest I'd ever seen. Innate N was at a 92 or something overall. I'd never seen it that high. It's dropped since then considerably, but Nano Banana might be the hot one right now. I was just looking at my channel, trying to get a feel for stuff. 900 subscribers, which is pretty crazy. And then was looking at my videos, and the Nano Banana video is already up to almost 1,000 views, which is crazy too. So trying to figure out like where, yeah, right, yeah, almost to 1,000. Pretty nuts. That's that. I mean, I think that's the only subscriber threshold. Like once I get 1,000 subscribers, that's it. I need watch hours after that, but I don't need any more subscribers, which is crazy for monetization anyway. I'm not really like banking on monetizing. Like that's not the main focus, but like it wouldn't be bad. It would be nice to have videos that also make money. But yeah, that's the first one. It's almost there. Get 1,000 subscribers, and then hopefully make some more valuable videos. Get 3 or get all right. I only need 2,900 more hours of watch time, and I could fill out this whole thing. Get to some monetization on this channel, which would be legit. Be pretty cool. So anyway, strategizing that a little bit, seeing what we can do to maybe help that along. But this little where's my date? There we go. Go back to normal. This guy's helping out. This video's got 1,000. I guess I could probably look at analytics on that too. I think that thing has gotten a ton of subscribers, which is nuts. Yeah, up 100 subscribers. If I do that, 17 subscribers. Yeah, wow, since published. Nice. Yeah, that video is doing work. 992. It's actually almost up to 1,000. Nice. Doing work. So anyway, doing some YouTube analytics today before I hop onto some other stuff. Oh, whoa. Nice. Oh, that's cool. I've never seen that before. YouTube home, YouTube next. So a lot of YouTube homes. Yeah, I mean, unfortunately, I think I need to go back and if I really wanted to like optimize, I think I have to put my face in a bunch of the videos because I have not done it. It's just like boring old innate in thumbnails. So we'll see. But anyway, how are you, man? How's your what is today? Wednesday? How's your Wednesday morning? How's your Wednesday looking? I might have to bail here soon. I took my car in last night, so they should be looking at it today, and they may be harassing me about that later. So, but I'm hoping to get it back today. I know there's one issue that I'm kind of putting off, so I'm hoping they aren't just working and chilling. There we go. But yeah, so I'm working on or hoping the one issue I've got for my car is not an urgent issue and they can get the rest of my stuff fixed. And then I'm going to try to head back to Chicago later today if I can. So that is the goal. But for now, we stream. Now we're streaming. But good, man. How's the land of YAML? Just YAMLing it up. Might have to get another K cup. Already down, one down. Yeah, 900 subscribers, which is crazy. 221 members. I was trying to figure out like what's going on with this. Actually, I'm gonna dox some people, I guess. So that guy found me through Skool. So basically, if I didn't invite them, then they probably came through Skool. So it's mostly through links. So it's probably YouTube. I need to do like I don't know if you can. I guess they're supposed to help you do some like metrics where they keep track of like where your clicks are coming from. Man, nice. Look at that upswing. It's beautiful. It is beautiful. So I'm wondering if like I kind of just use the same link everywhere. I don't know if they let you change that link. Yeah, I think I only get one link. So it'd be nice to know. Oh, I haven't done this yet. I need to do this. I also have all these Gumroad people that I need to invite. I have a ton of Gumroad people that I can invite. So we could slowly work on that as well. I was gonna finally do like an automation to do that. Gumroad. Yeah, new download. Gumroad. What do we got? I mean, I guess there's going to be duplicates, but a lot. Oh my god, there's 500 emails about Gumroad downloads. So that's probably a little. I mean, that's definitely high duplication. I think I have at least like 10 things listed on Gumroad, so could probably cut that by 10. But still, that's like 50 plus people, probably 50 uniques at least that I could email to be like, hey, want to join my free course or my free group? Just because I mean, Gumroad was kind of cool. I was trying to decide if I wanted to host workflows on Gumroad still, along with Skool, but probably makes more sense to just put everything in one place, not try to duplicate so much. Yeah, if I can try to convert some of the Skool or convert some of the Gumroad people into Skool people, it's gonna be useful. But yeah, lots of work to do. I need to. It's gonna kind of see about getting my brother to be a little helpful guy on my community, help keep it active. I had one guy unfortunately already that's already kind of doing the spam thing. That was like trying to get people to like download his stuff, and then I was like, all right, man, like do the classic post on the community, and then be like, hey, comment whatever to get my workflow. And it's like, dude, this isn't Instagram. Like, you don't have to do that. And then that immediately turned into like, okay, well, I need to. I turned on the thing so you can't create posts unless you're a certain level. So then then he started commenting everywhere like, please upvote me so that I can create posts. And it's like, okay, sorry, buddy. Not really what the intent of this community is for. So gonna have to worry about that a little bit. Had my first admin experience, I guess, is what was happening yesterday. But it's been good. It's been good. I gotta get this one updated. I got the video recorded. I just need to edit it. So this Vibe voice, or not Vibe voice, this one, the Monday.com video, which got no engagement at all. I gotta change that. So I'll get a video up for that. I'm hoping later today, but probably tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm probably gonna do all my YouTube stuff, and then maybe Friday. Then on to more workflows. I do need to wrap up with the one that I was talking about yesterday. Unfortunately, I did not get a chance to work on that, so I gotta finish up this guy's PDF generation system and hopefully get that to him soon. So lots of things to do, and then of course there's always Wave. Always got to work on Wave, so I got to get back to that as well. I did a little bit yesterday, but I didn't get a chance to work on it a ton. Hanging out with the fam, so I got to catch up on that as well. I need to move the video processing finally, so I'm going to do that, and then it's off to a payment plan. So I got lots of work to do, but in the meantime, I also haven't done much Upwork, so Upwork is on the list. That's what I'm trying. Being back in Indy always like throws off my schedule. Need to get back up to the apartment so I can focus. It's my workspace. All right, where are we at? 26 minutes. Okay. I might get another cup of coffee real quick. I don't think on my other computer, I think I have screens. Oh wait, yeah, I have a BRB, so I will BRB. Oh, wrong one. There we go. Cool. Oh, I forgot to turn on show comments on stage. I don't know why that doesn't turn on by default. It's probably a setting to do that, but there we go. All right. Molson, what do we miss? What's up? If you're still there. Nice. Yeah, I don't know. Didn't really have too much of a plan for today. Usually just kind of go live, see what happens. And, right about the time I'm wrapping up is when everybody shows up. So that's usually how this goes. The only thing I guess I was thinking is like I could prepare that other workflow. The only problem is I'm gonna have to change my API key. Somebody found it, so we're gonna have to update that. But is that this one? I think it's this one. I think I reset it, so I've got a new one. So many windows. So many windows. Actually, we can do it over here. There we go. Cool. And yeah, good. Okay, cool. Kind of playing it fast and loose here. Hopefully there's nothing important on there. I think I'm good. Good, good, good. Is it console.google? Oh, I get to that. Console.google. Cloud.google, I think is what I want. Console.cloud.google.com. So many subdomains. Yeah, so then I think I can use that new API key instead. APIs and services. I think I've got, yeah, generative API, credentials. Nah, I think that's fine. All right. Let's see what's going on here. Not showing that one. Go back to school. There we go. I don't know of like a good secure way to do that, unfortunately, but that'll have to work for now. That was the only hesitation. The only thing about working on these things live, like I don't want to leak too much, or just have, I guess, like, I don't know, have like the test key that I could burn and throw that one away if I leak it, and then just create a new one. It's kind of annoying. Such is the life of building in public. Got to learn some hard lessons. Don't need that. I don't need that either, I guess. All right. Yeah, because I was going to see about changing this workflow a little bit. I guess I can copy it. Let's duplicate it. So save and overview. Duplicate. Multi-image. All right. So then I think what I want to do is make it so that because this already supports multiple images. So I think then I just need to loop through those images and then send them all instead. So put that over here, then execute step. Add these images into one image. And oof, that one probably won't work so well. Where's my banana image editor? So I had edit profile. Wait, all right, so we're gonna start really simple. GPT prompt, make sure I'm not revealing anything concerning here. Then I'm gonna do this. Where's my little video command? Go. Banana image combiner. There we go. Okie dokie. Now we can do that. So then I want to grab this Nope, wrong one. Grab this one. Take profile. Put that there, and then I have it downloads, right? Where's my beach? Yeah, there we go. I'm gonna put beach example in there. All right. We could do Google's version as well. That'd be kind of boring, but could throw in like a hat, I guess, maybe. Get a nice picture of a straw hat and add that. But we'll start simple. We're gonna start simple. So rather than this one, I'm gonna go to Nano Banana Image Combiner. We're gonna grab both of these images and then submit. Cool. Okay, so we got image 0, and image 1. So then we would need to convert both of those. Yeah, and it's only recognizing one item, so we're gonna have to split out, schema, image. That work? Gives me 2 images. Yeah, nice. Okay, then I think all we have to do is, I don't think we need to loop, because all I have to do is base 64 it. So for each item. Oh wait. Ooh, how do I do that? That might not work. We might have to loop it because I need to be able to grab the binary data. How does that work? Line type size. Doesn't look like it includes the data. Interesting. Yeah, I might have to do some code, I guess, to do that. Or download them. Do download. Okay, that just downloads the image. Interesting. Yeah, I'm not sure how to do that. Variables in context. So I need the. I thought I would split it. To be honest, I thought this would be. Let's split because if we do. Maybe do need a loop. Because probably just do for loop. Loop over items. Can't loop over binaries. Replace me, and then do that here. Do that guy, and then can this guy then get to that? Yeah. Okay. I guess that'll work, right? So but I need a way to programmatically loop through that, unfortunately. So, I haven't run into this situation yet. What do we do with this? In init-n, how can I loop over the binary data of multiple images if I submit more than one image in form submit trigger? Use the split node, process each image individually. Yeah, that makes sense. But how do I get to that though? Item list, split out items node immediately after the trigger, configure to split the binary fields to create separate items for each image. Process loops downstream. Yeah, I mean, that makes sense. It just doesn't look like I have the right inputs to do that. So if I do a split out, go to schema, split up the images. Oh, do we do that? What's that look like? Oh, whoops. I didn't, maybe not include all others. So it's probably splitting it out into all the others. Probably not what I want. Include binary data. Hey, how about that? All right. Stop. I don't know what you're doing. Don't do whatever you're doing. Okay. So don't include that, but we do want to include binary data. Nice. And it ends weird sometimes, man. It just like bugs out. What is happening here, bud? Oh, okay. Well, I guess that works. Weird. It's not what I would have expected. So there's only 2 here. Why did it do it twice? Is that leftover data? Try that again. All right, this is getting like really laggy. I'm gonna save it. We're gonna redo this. My init instance is being weird. Okay, so now, yeah, that should be good. Split out. Yeah. So okay, so I gotta submit this form. So let's execute. Please resolve. Oh, come on, really? Gonna be like that? Image 0. Cool. You happy now? That's really annoying. I don't really like that. So like if I'm testing, I shouldn't have to make the other ones work. These combine these images. We'll add them both. Submit. Okie doke. Success. Okay, so then we can split those images and include the binary data. Yeah, weird. It's including the I guess it's including the binary data for both. Which does not help. That's kind of a problem. Because then I guess I'll just loop through. Yeah, because then the split doesn't work. Because now I've got 2. I wanted 1 each. I mean, I guess this will work. And then do I just have to do like an aggregate real quick? I'm not thinking here. So that's the individual images. That's correct. And then other fields. Include binary data. That's correct. Why is it splitting like that? It's weird. I don't know if there's anything else I could split on. It's just including all the binary data from the object. Put data execute once. Did that do that? Yeah, okay. Why are you including extra data that I don't want? It's like split is including all of the binary data. Looks like it's splitting images, and I enabled the include binary data option, but it's including the binary data for both images in both item splits. So it's duplicating, not splitting. To correct, yeah, then you immediately get into like, oh, well, you just need to use a code node to uh, split these instead. Code node function or function item immediately after the form trigger, write logic to loop over the keys in the item binary and output a separate item for each, copying only one binary per item. This ensures each item contains binary data for only one file, eliminating duplication. Avoid including binary data in split nodes for multi-image workflows. Use custom node logic instead. Downstream nodes will loop over each isolated image. Yeah, I mean, unless I'm missing something there. Vlad, what's going on, man? We're trying to. I was trying to update the Nano Banana workflow to do image combination. So, like, if I send in two images, and I want to combine them into one image, and having some issues with the split out, unfortunately, where I want this binary and this binary separate, but for some reason it looks at like both of these images, so it'll split these out, but then it includes the binary, both binaries in it. So that is an issue because I only want one each. And it looks like I'm gonna have to do a code node instead. So we're not gonna do a split out. Gonna have to do some sort of code instead. So I don't know if this will work. We could try it. What's up with you, man? What are you up to? K-cups? Yeah, I'm back. I didn't bring the AeroPress with me when I traveled, so I'm back to K-cups at my house. sorry, Naj. We're doing K-cups. Just the way it is. So let's see. Can we do this instead? Wait, what is happening here? Okay. Item, object keys, image. I still haven't learned my innate in. K-cup superior. Brewing put up in my honor. Much appreciated. I'm on K-cup number 2, so right there with you, buddy. Do I want object.keys and then item.binary? Is it mad because I don't know exactly what the syntax is for some of this innate in stuff. It's kind of funky. Ooh, can AI do it? Iterate over the image items so I can isolate image binaries into separate items. Does that work? It's close. I don't think that's quite what I want. Then I need JSON image and then binary. Can we get that? Item.json.image.map, map image, for each image, we're going to create a JSON image and then a binary of image.binary. Maybe not. What else is on here? Vlad, what were you working on, man? Index, run index now. Cool. Let's see. Maybe items. Can we update it to include the binary in the resulting JSON as well? Sure, you want to generate new code, your current code will be replaced. Yes. Or is this going to be a whole new context? Danilo, what's up, man? Morning. How are you? So does that get what I want? Oh, it actually did. AI, man. AI is magical. How did it do that, though? So it took items, just mapped each item. Yeah. Okay. I guess that was already mapping images directly, but it's going through each item rather than the image map. So it went into the child object. That's why. Okay. That's why I didn't see it. It's like I didn't see a binary complete. So wait, but is that the same result? Oh man, come on. It's the exact same result. Doing great at the gym. Ah, nice. What are we doing? Yeah, that's right. Doing some lifting at the gym. Doing a little cardio. That was always my thing. I would do some cardio and then like listen to. Actually, although I listen to a lot of podcasts while I'm at the gym, basically whatever I'm doing. But I would try to catch a stream or something when I was doing the stair climber for like 45 minutes. Try to watch something or whatever. Okay. So then this is not quite right. This is close, but I need each item to have, but I need to split the binary data so they are individual items. So I can iterate over the binaries separately. Let's do it. Let's do it, N8N AI. Wonder what they're using. Ah, there we go. Gotta love it when their own stuff doesn't work. That's usually how it goes. Updated items implicitly has type any in locations where it cannot be determined. So yeah, can I just make it any? This might be a cursor situation. Lifting some weights. There you go, man. That's the way to do it. What do you do? Splits? Is it what is it like? Chest day, back day, leg day? Leg day being the worst, of course. I'm gonna plop this into cursor real quick and see what it says. Or I guess I could just use GPT. Hang on a second. Where am I? I'll change my screen real quick. Make sure I'm not sharing anything I don't want to share. All right, I think we're good. Does that mess up the chat thingy? Or no, I think it's good. A, B, and C. Okay. Do you do different sets on A, B, and C days? So that's probably like more of a full body kind of thing, or is it more like a push pull kind of thing? Fix this code snippet from N8N. What's there again? inode execution data. Oof, I don't know. I want to do that, but sure, we'll see. See if it'll work. Probably not. Yeah. Can't do imports like that, I don't think, unfortunately. Just do any. Don't know my TypeScript TypeScript syntax super well. So like that. Can I just do any? No? Okay. Yeah. I don't know. Gonna have to see what else we can do here. See what Perplexity says. Although Gemini might be a good option too. Training chest day. Chest and biceps. Very nice, very nice. Tomorrow's back day. Right on, man. Awesome. What are you what are we benching? Are we doing flat bench? Is that in your rotation? Yeah, I don't think this will work. Thing. Yeah. See if this will work. There is a TypeScript lint warning. That's exactly the same. Oh, you can just ignore it. All right. Says just ignore it. So let's do it. That worked. Okay, cool. Well, then works for me, I guess. 2 items, cool. So then for that, we can do this, and then we just need to aggregate after that. So if we how do we do that? So then now I can't do that. I have to do schema. Now we might have to do a loop, unfortunately. So I need to be able to loop over. I don't know what the names of them will be. Or need to. Yeah, I guess probably just loop over them. Because I don't think I can do like a wildcard in here. Can't do like image star. Like that won't work. Yeah. Oh wait, well, or we just modify this. If we just change, can we change the name? .json binary. Make the binary name see what it says. Back day is always a good one. I always kind of look forward to a good back day. Yeah, okay, nice. That should work, right? Nice. There we go. That'll work. Each example profile square. Cool. So then if we do both of those, then we can aggregate after that. Aggregate on image. Okay. What happened there? What is happening? Why are you freaking out? All right. Well, let's do this first. So it should do these two. Yep. Oh, and then just aggregate data. Aggregate on field name data. What is happening? Why is this losing focus immediately? Weird. All right, so if we do that, then when we get to the Gemini call, I will have to modify that body a little bit. So I can't show my API key. I shouldn't have updated it. There you go. All right, let me check it over here. Oh yeah, I don't like when got hanging form submits. Okay, so if I do this, it should aggregate these datas, and then in the Gemini body, okay, probably gonna have to change that a little bit then. So the Gemini body, I need to send in to Nano Banana API. This example only sends one image. See what we got. See what we got. You returned to the gym 2 weeks ago, so you're all out of form. I understand. I understand. I was on a roll until last week. I guess I didn't end up going Friday last week, and then I ended up leaving. So I'm back here. So now I'm out of sync. I was only going to be here for like 6 days, 5-6 days. So I wasn't sure it was worth restarting my gym membership down here. So I debated it though. I thought about it, but I haven't had a ton of time to lift, so it didn't quite end up happening. So yeah, I'm looking forward. That's partly why looking forward to getting back to my place, so that I can get back into the routine of working out again too. So I definitely understand that, but usually comes back pretty quick. Luckily, I mean, I've gone pretty long stretches of not lifting at all, and then usually can come back pretty quickly, and it's not a big deal. So yeah, hopefully it won't take you too long to get back to it. 2 weeks isn't too bad. Let's see. No update from. Still looking for an update from my or not my card. My car. Gonna have to go pick up my car here in a little bit. Weird. All right. No luck on that. So that's good. I guess I don't have to bail yet, but I may have to bail to go pick up my vehicle here in a little bit. Okay. So then I think we just do. Okay. So I am gonna have to change that so that we can. So I might have to actually do a loop or like a custom dealie instead. So I need to use a JSON body that looks like what Mac breaking out. So to request to really efficient to keep a routine. It does. It helps, man. It helps a lot. It just makes it easier. Like it's easier to like follow the schedule, and then things get done when they need to get done, and there's no like guessing or whatever. It's just that's just what you do. You follow the routine, and makes things. I've been there. Yeah, I've been there. It's tough. Like when you go a long stretch, like there was, like I said, I think maybe like a couple times I've gone like 6 months where I just stopped working out altogether, and then it's just like the longer it goes, the harder it is to get back into it. Or just like, oh man, like it's a lot of effort to go back to the gym. So it is a lot easier to just keep going and try not to stop. But at the same time, like it's not too bad. But yeah, I don't know, man. The routine definitely helps a lot. It just helps in general. I feel like if I don't have a routine, then I tend to waste a lot of time just doing other stuff that is less important. But yeah, so I was trying to figure out what the syntax is to be able to submit multiple images. So we're gonna have to build out this JSON object to be looking like this, and I think I might just structure that with a JSON node here instead. So I was going to do this aggregate, but which I guess would work. And how do I want to do that? So instead, I think I want to do edit fields, and then if I do that, so then I can say yeah. Oh, I don't have a way to like. Oh man, I don't have a way to like get into that directly. I was trying to think. I want. Well, I guess what I could do is pre-fill the JSON body, which I've been trying to avoid, but I mean, it would work. Basically, it could like pre-fill an edit node in JSON in init-n to just kind of construct this myself. And then when I get to the HTTP request node, I just plug in this entire object as the request, and it's already pre-built. Don't have to do anything else. So that, does that make sense? Then I think it probably would. It's the dynamic nature of the images, I guess, is what I was trying to figure out. That's the tricky part. So I think, okay, so maybe what should be happening here is this, that we'll just build it here. Nah, I need to build like a custom object because I need to build the contents array, and the contents array needs a parts array, and then inside the parts array, yeah, it could. I'm probably gonna have to do some custom code because we need to like restructure it to be able to do what I want. Yeah. All right. Not the prettiest, but it'll work. So all items to a single list. I mean, I kind of want something like this. I just want to restructure the way that it looks. What kind of options do we have? Include binaries, keep missing. Oh, nice. There is an include binaries. Keep missing in nulls, merge list, disable notation, rename field. If we did a rename field, that gets us closer. But the problem is that I need to be able to restructure the data. So probably gonna have to like do this. I think I am gonna have to do something like this. Manually map the field instead. So but like dynamically build it. Oh man. I try to like keep these things as close to init-n source as possible, but then I always run into a situation with like, man, if I could just use code, this would be a lot easier. So I don't know, we'll see. You had a personal trainer to help you and felt guilty that you were paying so much you had to be there. Yeah, I did that too, actually, for a little bit, for like about 6 months, I think. It was maybe like 5 months. It was like from January to June. I did that. I went and signed up to work out with a trainer. And then, yeah, he basically had me on at least, I think we were doing at least 2 days a week. And it was, I mean, it worked out actually really well because, I mean, I learned a lot. Like it helped a ton for him to kind of teach me like the proper ways of diet, which was actually kind of crazy. Like I didn't realize how much I didn't know about diet. Where I was like, eating healthy, and so he helped a lot, trying to learn the actual like diet element of it, and then just got me like in a good lifting routine and kind of helped with like form and that kind of thing. But really, yeah, the main thing was like knowing that I had to show up every whatever it was Monday and Wednesday, and then knowing that like every other time. So usually like on Mondays or something, we would do a weigh-in. And so I had to like, I don't know. It just kept me honest, I guess, because it's like I'm gonna have to show up, and I want to show up and weigh in with a decent number. I don't want to show up and like have lost or whatever, have gained weight. I wanted to show up and have lost weight. So it kept me honest with the diet a little bit, having that accountability. So accountability definitely is a nice hack to keep you consistent for sure. All right. Plus, like, I don't know. I mean, the trainer was expensive. I mean, it cost a lot to. I forget. I was paying a lot monthly to work with a trainer, but it made a lot. It made a big difference. Like, I don't know. I just learned a lot, and then after that, I could just keep kind of like re-implement that routine whenever I needed to, because like I knew what to do because I did it for like 6 months. Did it for 4 years. Oh man, four times a week with a personal trainer. best form ever. I bet. Yeah, 4 times a week with a personal trainer. I bet you were in great shape. That would have been awesome. But I mean, at the same time, like you do that for a long time, and then you're ready for a break. That's definitely what happened to me. Like I was on a roll for like 6 months, and then it's kind of like, oh man, like I got to basically the shape that I wanted to be in, and I was like, all right, like I think I'm done. Like I think it had been a lot. Like I was like training really hard for it. I lost like I forget 40 some pounds, so I lost a ton of weight and was training super hard. And then I was just like, all right, time to back off a little bit. And I mean, it took a long time to like gain a lot of the weight back. Like it happened eventually, but at first I was like, oh man, like this is great. Like maintaining it's actually super easy. But I went too far and just like stopped working out altogether, and diet just went to crap. And then then it all kind of came back and I lost everything. But after you stopped. Hardly went to the gym till it completely stopped. Yeah, exactly. Like it's just like you go like super hard, and then it kind of like burn out. So kind of same thing with like work and stuff. Like put a ton of time in, and then you just put too much time in, and then you don't want to put any time in. So it's kind of the natural rebound. How long did you stop? You said it's only been. Oh, that's right. Yeah, so you procrastinated for 2 years. So basically you worked out really hard for 4 years, and then stopped for 2 years, and now you're back to it. Oh man. Oh man. So actually, okay. So you said you just returned to the gym 2 weeks ago after 2 years of procrastinating. Okay. So that's a pretty big gap. But I don't know. I felt like I always kind of like, even coming back, I still had a good amount of strength and everything after that. So hopefully, hopefully you're you usually, I mean, do see some like pretty quick gains, pretty quick return once you really get back into a rhythm. So hopefully it wouldn't take too long to get back to where you were. Oh man, it's already okay. It's almost noon. All right, so I mean, it's already been a little over an hour. So I'm probably gonna hop off just because I think I'm gonna have to go do some car stuff. And I gotta prep for got a meeting later and stuff. So got some other things got to get going on. But I'm gonna get back to finishing this nano banana manipulation here. Try to be able to handle multiple files here in a little bit. Gonna readjust it so we can send in more than one image, which I think would be really useful. Do some image combining. But Molson, thanks, man. You have a good one too. Danilo, good luck with getting back into the rhythm. Get those lifts in. Gained a ton of weight. Yeah, no, that happens, man. Yeah, when you let the diet slide and you stop working out, that was, I think, the hardest part. It was like I was eating a lot when I was working out, but it was mostly clean eating, and I could get away with it because I was lifting a lot, like I was being very active, and I kind of just like switched to eating a lot of not great stuff, and then stopped working out, and then gained a lot of weight. So that's usually how that goes. So I've been there, man. But good luck. Good on you for getting back into it. So I'm sure you'll see results in no time since you know what to do now. So. Good luck with that. And Naj, enjoy your K-Cup. I'm just finishing up mine right now. So right there with you. Vlad, thanks for stopping in, man. Good to see you too. Hopefully things are going well with you. And yeah, if things go well, I will probably head back tonight. If nothing else, I may, I'll stream tomorrow, probably regardless, whether it's from here or there. So I'll probably be on tomorrow, but we'll see. Maybe head back tomorrow morning. So we'll see. But at least one more stream this week. So I'll be back on eventually. But thanks, guys. Thanks for hanging out. I will catch you later. See ya.